In a bustling city where technology buzzes in every corner, Emily, a software developer, starts her day by using an AI voice generator to draft her morning emails. This tool, which has seen a 9,200% increase in interest over the past 5 years, has become indispensable in her daily routine. She marvels at how it captures her tone perfectly, saving her precious time. Meanwhile, across town, a small business owner named Jack is navigating the complexities of his operations with the help of a fractional CMO. This new trend, growing by 9,600%, allows businesses like his to access top-tier marketing expertise without the full-time cost. Jack's Bakery has never been busier thanks to the strategic insights provided by his part-time marketing expert. In another part of the city, let's say a group of engineers is hard at work on a digital twin project. These virtual replicas of physical assets have revolutionized industries from manufacturing to construction. The ability to monitor and manipulate these digital counterparts in real time has opened up possibilities that were once the stuff of science fiction. Simultaneously, health-conscious consumers are turning to products like CBG Gummies, which have seen a surge in popularity due to their potential benefits in reducing anxiety and improving focus. Emily keeps a pack in her desk drawer, appreciating how they help her stay calm and productive amidst her demanding schedule. On the recreational front, AI-powered gaming earbuds are the latest craze. These devices not only deliver superior sound quality, but also adapt to the user's environment and preferences, making every gaming session an immersive experience. In the education sector, platforms like Brightwheel are transforming how parents and teachers interact. With its user-friendly interface, parents can track their children's progress in real time, while teachers streamline their administrative tasks, allowing more focus on personalized student engagement. Lastly, the city is abuzz with discussions about AI interior design tools. These applications, leveraging advanced algorithms, help homeowners visualize and execute their dream designs with ease, bringing professional-grade design to everyday spaces. From business innovations to personal health and entertainment, AI's influence is unmistakable. Its integration into various facets of life signifies not just a technological revolution, but a transformation in how society functions, making tasks more efficient, enhancing creativity, and fostering new opportunities.